Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your TikTok thumbnail after posting. So we all know that once you uploaded a video over to TikTok and you're looking at your profile, then right here at this video you can see that's basically the thumbnail. It's how it's being viewed over on your profile. Well, there's actually a really easy way in order to change this after you have already posted this video, in case you forgot, or just because you want to make some additional edits. So in order to change your TikTok thumbnail after posting, it's really easy. All you need to do is open your TikTok video like this. And literally then what you need to do is click on those three dots right here. And you want to scroll all the way to the right till you find right here, edit post. You want to click on that. And then right here it will say select cover. So it's actually called a cover, but it looks a bit more like a thumbnail. But you want to click on select cover right here. And then literally right here you can change your TikTok thumbnail. You can change it to whatever you want in the video, and you can even add some text, of course, just like this. And then once you've added something, or once you added your changes, all you need to do is click on save at the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to click on save right here. And then within the next few minutes it's going to update that TikTok thumbnail or cover, and then that should fix the issue for you. So that's how you can change your TikTok thumbnail after posting. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.